You want to read it to us?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Leap years are fun, leap years are cool. You can learn about leap years if you go to school. Leap years happen when the Earth has made its complete orbit around the sun and still hasn't made it back where it has begun. The Earth tried to go around the sun once more and ended up further away than he was before. He tried and tried with all his might until he realized he couldn't win that fight. Well, it's been 4 years and Earth is crying hysterically with tears. He couldn't figure out a way to pay up for all the years he has excluded. One day a light bulb went off in his head that he could make up a new day instead. That day is February 29th, and it makes the year just right.
We are the phases of the moon.
Dun dun dun.
And we'll keep on shining till the end.
Dun dun dun.
We are the phases. We are the phases. No time for sunshine, 'cause we are the phases of the moon.
Good.
New moon, waxing crescent. First quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon.
I drew the why we have like winter and fall. So since the Earth is tilted, I put the lines to show y'all that it was tilted and circled the northern hemisphere because that's the one we're in. And I labeled them, and the only reason it's summer here because it's the northern hemisphere is tilted to the sun. So on the opposite would be winter because it's tilted away. And it would be fall here because after summer it's fall and after winter it's spring. So I labeled that one spring and I put the equator and labeled the equator.
It's called Home Run Science and it's baseball. These are questions and you can like them. You ask the question, if they get it right, you get to pull one of these off, and if you get it wrong, you get it out. And like, you pull one of these off. This one says double, I can't off it. But it says double, and then you put one of these people on second base.
Have you ever wondered why the moon looks different? Well, it is the same all the time, unless out of nowhere a meteor come and probably crush the moon. Then we won't have one. Just be chunks and everything floating around. We are in space, and the moon orbits us, which the sun gives off light, and it shines on the moon, so we can see some light and all that. So you can, see in the dark and all that.
Spring, summer, fall, the Earth tilt controls them all. As the Earth orbits the sun, the tilt gets farther and closer month by month. We humans notice that while the seasons change, the days they started on stayed the same. Now let me tell you how to know when it's summertime and when to wish for snow. When the Earth is tilted towards the sun, it's time for hot dogs and ice cream and tons of fun. But that's in the northern, the southern's quite opposite, with sweaters and jackets and peppermint hot chocolate. The days they begin on are marked every year. On December and June 21st, days we hold dear. When the Earth tilt is in between, the school has started, which we kids think mean.
Who can answer that? Raise your hand so Dylan can call on you.
Hayden?
Okay, so what would happen, Dylan?
He would get 3 points, and we would add it to whichever team he was on.
Okay.
Oh, I get it.
All right, let's do it again.
A new moon, it comes in between the Earth and the sun. The fact about the new moon is that the new moon is lined up between the Earth and the sun. After the new moon, the waxing crescent comes right after it.
I used to wonder why we have seasons, but now I know the reasons. Why do we have seasons? Well, it's all about the tilt. When the north is tilted away, for a while winter will stay. When the north is tilted towards the sun, summer has almost begun. Spring and fall are in the middle, like a string in the middle of a field. But you must always remember, it's all about the tilt. It's all about the tilt.
If you get a question right, you move up a planet, and if you move up the planets, and if you get it wrong, the other team answers it. You have to get to the sun first.
Okay. Yeah.
Can I read my rules?
Yeah, read your rules.
The two teams choose a launch pad and place their color starburst on the pad. They flip a coin and decide which team goes first.